Good morning, guys. Today we're going to spend some time around the house and take care of an issue. But first, let's get the hummingbirds fed. All washed up. Now to make the juice. 1 part sugar to 4 parts water, and they seem to like it. So he is crystal clear now. Now I use warm water because the sugar dissolves better in it, but you can do it. It'll dissolve in cold water, just takes longer to stir it in. When I'm washing these things, I don't use any cleaners in it. I just use hot water. Hummingbirds are very, very sensitive to chemicals. So soap or some kind of spray cleaner, even if you think you've rinsed it off, could still mess them up. So I don't take any chances. They're very delicate, awesome little creatures, but yeah. Pretty sure this one is dry as well. Yep. Let's take it inside, clean it up. I like this feeder here because it really keeps everything out. Those don't keep the bees and ants out that good. You really have to work at it. But that one, it just doesn't make it, I guess where it's sitting to doesn't make it easy to get to. And you got your little water dam in here for ants.
Now, let's sit back, relax, and watch the hummingbirds for a little while.
She's waiting for the hummingbirds to fly by, sitting peacefully in the morning light, asking nothing in return. She's waiting for the hummingbirds to fly by with the most beautiful smile. With the most beautiful smile. When I'm around her, I feel safe. There's a magic river flowing in her gaze. She gives me real love all the time. She gives me real love, it's all that matters now. She gives me real love.
Well, as mentioned, I have a problem. I got an issue. And the issue consists of a situation under there, and there's another end to it over here. If y'all can see that, there's a huge hole. Yeah, that's right. Hundreds of yellowjackets living under the gazebo. Not good. This is not good. So right now they're not very aggressive, but as the season goes on they will become aggressive and become a problem for us using the gazebo. Somebody told me to use gasoline, but
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Several days later.
hey Caroline, how you want your steak?
Oh my God, are you okay?
I'm fine. So if we don't want that to happen, so we're not going to use gasoline, but I am going to try a couple of things and see if you got any suggestions on ways that you've gotten rid of them. Leave them in the comments below. Well guys, as you can tell, it's gotten dark and we've run out of time to work on this problem, but we're gonna pick it up in another video, and I'll show you guys what I do to get rid of them or lose the battle. So that's it for this video. Thanks for coming along. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep these coming at you every week. Alright guys, take it easy. We'll see you on the next video.
But I just want to celebrate.